Most dog owners will never experience this moment with their dog. Not because their dog can't do it, but because nobody ever showed them how. Watch what happens when trust, consistency, and the right training come together.
So this is a typical for him, yeah? He basically decides where you walk. How slow is this now? You'll find out. You only need to find some of your energy. A little bit of pressure. Yes. And a little volley. I want Molly to learn wherever this lead goes. Yes, she's the follow. The bigger the rate of volley, but make her a little bit spatially aware. Yeah. She goes in front, up and relax. Up and relax. But it's in the wrist. Okay? I'm not.
Every great dog starts with the right training. What would you love to teach your dog next? Tell me in the comments below. Visit BestDailyFix.com and join our free newsletter for proven dog training tips, expert advice, and step-by-step guides. Be sure to check your spam and promotions folders after subscribing.